Now we are gonna unbox this huge parcel. So, without wasting any time, let's open this. Ta-ra-ta-ta-ta. Okay, here we have the package. Okay, so this is a well packed stock. Let's open this. Sorry guys, small technical issue. Okay. So let's see now. Okay. Actually, I didn't expect this much of packaging from him. I thought it will be simple. But look at that. He spent much time for packing. That's really a good thing. So let's see what we have. You can see Malta 1972s and some different countries collections. Okay, oh yes, he has just folded the sheet. So each coin I will make separate shorts videos. So let's just see what we get. Okay, again these like Sri Lankan set, these are 20 rupees coins, and you can see that. And here we have some. Okay, and other coins what we get. This looks so beautiful, each unique and all different country collections. Okay, and the main thing I wanted to notice, this crown size coin 1965. You can see those details. So sooner these coins all will be on sale. So that's all guys, hit the like button. Hope you enjoyed the video. More details will be shared shortly. Thanks for watching.